Hello, Falcons. I've been hearing from you, from your teachers, from your families that you might be pretty overwhelmed by the number of emails that you get. So I put a few videos together to help you. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is happening to adults as well. So we're here to help. First up, you'll want to log into your email. And first, I'm going to review how to just delete a single email. So I don't need this email here. I click the box next to it, and then I click on the trash can, and it's deleted. Now let's say that I haven't cleaned up my email for a while. Maybe I have 50, 150, or even 200 emails that I need to delete. Up here, I can click this box and it will select all of my emails. If I know that those are all emails I want to delete, I will click on the trash can, right? And they'll all go to the trash. Maybe I'm deciding that I want to delete most of them, but not all of them. So let's say I'll uncheck this one. Then when I click delete, everything else will go to the trash can. If you have more than 50 emails, you might have to do that multiple times, but it will help you then feel like your email inbox is cleaned out. I like to do this at least once a day. You might want to do this once or twice a week just to help you keep track of everything that's coming your way for your learning. Oftentimes, too, when you take this approach, you might delete something by mistake. Don't panic. What you'll need to do instead, over here on the left, you have folders that you've created, or you might not have any. And that's okay. I have a lot because it's how I organize my work. But you'll just scroll down, and you won't have to scroll down as far as I do because I don't think you have as many folders. Click More and keep looking until you find your trash can. It looks like a little trash can. Click on Trash. And then you'll see all the emails that you've deleted. You can see right here it says messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. And that means they're deleted like forever, ever. You can't find them later. If I deleted something by mistake that I know that I'll want later, I would just click here and I am going to move it back to my inbox. If you have other folders, you can move it into another folder. And then you can see when you go back to your inbox, it's there for you. Okay. I hope this helps. Reach out to us if you need assistance, but it's a good habit to just clean up your email regularly. And again, make sure that if you feel like most of the emails you're getting are from Google Classroom, check out the other video that I posted below, which will show you how to turn on and off those notifications from Google Classroom so that you're not receiving as many emails in the first place. Okay. Take care. Let me know if you need more help.